In order to look ahead, we need to look at yesterday, don't we? Because in Master Azerbaijani word of today, we have dünən. Dünən. Dünən is yesterday. Let's use those in some phrases. Since yesterday. The incident from yesterday or yesterday's event. Let's see what today means in Azerbaijani. Dünəndən bəri. See how I say it? I don't say dünəndən bəri. This is not how the phrase flows smoothly. To flow it, you gotta say dünəndən bəri. Bəri, from them. Means from there until to here. Dünəndən bəri, since yesterday. Dünənki hadisə. Hadisə is event. It can also mean incident. That's why I have two English versions. Dünənki hadisə. Let's use those in some sentences. Dünəndən bəri işlər sakitdir. Things have been calm since yesterday. Dünəndən bəri, since yesterday. İşlər, iş is work, işlər, things. That doesn't have to be work, but in general, things. Sakitdir is calm, technically, but the right way to translate things have been calm since yesterday because we have dünəndən bəri, since yesterday. All right, let's use it in another sentence. Biz dünən görüşdük. We met yesterday. Nice and easy. Biz, us, we, görüştük, met, görüşmek, infinitive form, to meet, görüştü, he or she met, görüştük, we met. Dünən, yesterday. That was my way of using the word dünən in Azerbaijani sentences and phrases. There's another one, easy one. Let's see. Dünən is gone. Let's focus on what we can do today. Right? Today we learned the word dünən, but make sure to come back tomorrow for another new word. Until then, check masterazerbaijani.com, where you will get updates on my app, and also you will get to read blogs on how to learn Azerbaijani much better, deeper, and fun ways. Cheers.